So the organization is a B2B financial information digital data company. So data is what we're trying to sell.
We gather thousands and tens of thousands data points of financial data points every year. And because of the amount of data we have, we very quickly hit a limit of what we can do with an Excel spreadsheet. When I came in the business, one of the main jobs I was doing was to make it much more interactive. So we are currently using Click as a product to customers, giving them access to the data and let them interrogate their own data. And that's what we use Click and especially data technology for. What we're hearing back from customers is that we're actually now moving ahead of competitors. They're saying the way we now are able to provide insight to them is significantly ahead. You can actually rely on if one of them doesn't know the answer, they just go back and find the answer. So some of the data sets I have, without being able to go into actually specific, are really complex. When we get stuck, they generally then come and find a solution. Because there's a team of experts who have been doing that for years and years. I've worked with other companies, actually say, you know what, for another company that worked very well.
Every time you talk with them, it's always that added value, right? So it always gives you the wow factor of like, I should have done it like that from the beginning. And then it makes you rethink the way you were doing things for the last 4 or 5 years. When you come with external input, that's brilliant. And that's the added value that I really like in the technology. We've been with Click for a year and with data technology for a year. It's like driving a new car, right? So you're used to drive your little 1980 Honda, and then suddenly they give you a nice BMW with GPS and parking, and it's like that.
The result is incredible. The increase in response rates is big, and we are making more progress in a year than I actually thought was possible.